Right, so can you explain why we're here?
We're going to this abandoned place.
So this is where we got last yesterday. Now.
Bird? What?
Bird looking.
What's the bird?
White diver something? I don't know.
Oh no, just going on a walk.
Supposed to be, but look at them all.
It's a seagull, we found it! I saw a bird over there, look. Seagull. That's the bird! Look!
Are you walking on this river? How far are you walking on this riverbank?
I don't know, we're just going for like a quick walk.
Yeah, just a word of warning. Right, about a mile up there, there's a farm. We'll come out to you and give you a right roasting. Rather than, so just a warning.
Why?
Doesn't matter. Wait until they get this over.
Shit. Right, this is definitely the place. There's a car here.
The bike. Well, who's going first?
Do you hear that?
Right, Dan, which panel do I go in? This one?
Why do I have to go first?
Because, do it.
Dan, go. Take off your coat and then I'll keep this.
I'm not taking my coat off, I'll just...
I think I'm cut so nothing gets ripped.
I'll stand on this as well. This is like the...
I'm a shit cameraman, by the way.
More, bit more. It's gonna get, yeah, that's good. Like that. Oh god, that's cool! Okay, so we found a car and a bike. Dan, get on the bike.
Yeah, let's go dogging.
Go on the bike, Dan.
Old as shit.
Yeah.
It's got a weird...
Oh no, it's not that old.
I've been formed.
It looks like 1980s.
No, it's not. No, it isn't, because that bike still has like rubber bits with brakes. So, and older bikes have just metal bars at this, but it's just still pretty decent.
I think 1980s, I guess.
Yeah, pull up the hood, see if there's a dead body.
It doesn't go high enough because this roof thing's caved in. But there's definitely stuff in there.
Dead bodies.
Oh, that's grim. They're bin bags. Oh, my fingers smell weird now. Right, is this all that's in here? There's like...
Do I go to the house then?
What?
I think I just cut my arm.
To the left? Is my camera on it right now?
Yep. He's not out there, is he?
Okay.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah. Oh, fuck off!
It's too far fucking out.
Oh, fucking hell.
This is actually hard as fuck.
This is really weird.
I don't think we can get through this one, can we?
No, let's go around the whole.
What the fuck is that?
Yeah, I thought so.
Come on, let's go.
Oh, cool.
Well, lads, I need a shit like a fucking bomb.
Cinematic shots. Okay, where to now?
Which one looks like a sniper?
What's that?
That was a bird.
Really?
Damn it, to walk out of.
Where's the bird?
It just flew off.
It made like a sound like a fucking like a creek.
I thought a fucking pig was after me or something. I thought like a bird that just went literally. I almost had like a fucking heart attack. I was just walking. I heard like.
There's no good way of getting it out and in. You can't get in and out without making any noise, okay? Dan. Fucking hell. What have you got in your hand?
Fucking get raped.
You've got a card. Oh, that's creepy as shit.
Fraser, come here, come here. Get this in the video, quick. Look how the fucking toilet paper balls are everywhere.
Oh. Nah, let's just leave this.
This is actually from the 1970s.
Wait, has this got a date on it?
No, but the TV from the 70s.
No, there's no date, but it's the Christmas card.
Oh, there's a picture.
Fraser, if you look at
This is really creepy.
Creepy ass picture, Megan.
Fraser, if you fact, I mean,
Come on, Jordan, let's go. This
What,
one.
out or in?
No, just walk
Some
around.
more, out some more.
Oh, mate, sick sofa.
Right, if Josh and Happy went in here, we can go in here.
Yeah. Dan, you've got so much. Dan, your coat. Mad. What's in here?
Some paintings.
Let me in. Oh, okay. Oh, God. This is a tad bit dangerous.
Anyone like find someone to hook up for the night?
How the fuck are we going to get
Here's
out?
a place. Just do it down. It's pretty creepy out. I see things moving outside.
Can you?
Yeah,
What?
sometimes. It's dangerous, man.
Oh, sick, you found a phone. You gotta be quiet.
Imagine if the phone stopped.
No, we need to be quiet because if someone walks down. What's in it? Oh, look. Oh, what's the date? You have a date on it.
It's definitely old.
You in 92? That's 1992.
It's not that old.
Look,
16th of January 1992.
that's creepy. Look, who's this guy then?
Jesus.
What does this say?
What's that? I think we should go.
Someone's walking their dog. We need to get out. Get out this room. Do you think that's like the farmer's dog?
Maybe not. We can get out easy from there. Nothing so big. It's only a dog.
Yeah, but it sounds like it's looking for something. Like when you walk in your dog, don't bark like the birds in there. Wait, guys, there's some crabs. Did you hear that? Let's just get back. We need to go that way. Yeah, just climb.
Caping.
Lads, we've made it. We're safe. Yeah, you're fine. Go. Oh, my jeans, man. Fuck yeah. Oh, it wasn't.
Oh, look at my leg.
It just.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
My penis then.
There we go. Guys. Blood alert.
Alright, basically, we've been there, I got fucking hurt, and basically that's about fucking it, and now we're going to go back to home.
Yeah, so we went in.
My pap's just left.
We heard like the farmer or something, so
Yeah, we had gunshots coming towards us as well.
No, that was just a bird scarer. But we heard a dog barking at us, so we just pegged it. Dan cut himself. Blood alert, blood alert. Yeah.
Oh, there's a swan in the way.
Oh fuck, there is as well.
Square up to him, lad.
Smack you go first.
Oh no, there's a fence, it's fine.
Oh, goody goody.
Right, we need to name this swan.
He's chatting shit.
Wait.
Shit with band.
Fuck.
Go! Go!
It's coming! Watch out, there's a wild goose. Oh my god, it's the bird! It's the silver diver!
No, it's not.
Back, back.
I think I'm cut so nothing that's ripped. I think I'm cut so nothing that's ripped. I think I'm cut so nothing that's ripped.
Boy! Boy! Boy!